everybody! Today we are going to make a tutorial for an airplane that's only for those who doesn't know. I will show you a tutorial. The thing about this though, it's not very good at flying. So first you fold this part into a triangle shape. And then this other part to another triangle. And then fold it into fold it into half. And then hold whatever size of the wings you want into half. Video the flight. And then there. Now let's see the flight test.
Okay.
Again, this is not very good though. See? One last flight.
Okay. Oh!
That was good. Bye bye everybody.